Are you tired of exposing your hair to harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients? Imagine washing your hair with a shampoo that's not only gentle and nourishing, but also made right in your kitchen. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revealing how to make your own chemical-free herbal shampoo that's both effective and easy to create. Let's dive into the natural world of hair care. First, let's gather our all-natural ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Liquid Castile soap, a gentle vegetable-based soap that's perfect as a shampoo base. Distilled water, to dilute and customize the consistency. Dried herbs, such as chamomile, rosemary, or lavender, known for their hair-loving properties. Essential oils, for fragrance and added benefits. Think tea tree oil for scalp health, or peppermint oil for a refreshing sensation. Carrier oil, like jojoba or argan oil to moisturize and nourish your hair. All these ingredients are easily accessible and 100% natural. Step 1. Create your herbal infusion. Start by making a potent herbal infusion. Boil 2 cups of distilled water and add 2 tablespoons of your chosen dried herbs. For example, rosemary stimulates hair growth, while chamomile brightens and soothes. Let it steep for about 30 minutes, allowing all the goodness to be extracted. Step 2. Strain the infusion. Once your infusion has cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the herbs, leaving you with a nutrient-rich herbal water. Step 3. Combine with liquid Castile soap. In a separate bowl, mix 1 cup of liquid Castile soap with your herbal infusion. Castile soap is a fantastic natural cleanser that's gentle on your hair and scalp. Step 4. Enrich with oils. Add 10 to 15 drops of essential oils of your choice. For an invigorating shampoo, try peppermint and eucalyptus. For calming effects, go with lavender. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like argan or jojoba oil to moisturize and add shine to your locks. Step 5. Mix it all together. Gently stir all the ingredients until well combined. Avoid vigorous mixing to prevent excess bubbles. Step 6. Bottle your shampoo. Using a funnel, pour your homemade herbal shampoo into a reusable bottle. Glass bottles with pump dispensers are eco-friendly and convenient. Label your shampoo with the date and ingredients. Step 7. Enjoy your natural shampoo. In the shower, use your shampoo as you normally would. It may not lather as much as commercial shampoos, but rest assured it's cleaning your hair without stripping away natural oils. Massage into your scalp and rinse thoroughly. Experience the difference of chemical-free hair care. With regular use, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, stronger, and more radiant. Plus, you're reducing your environmental footprint and avoiding harmful toxins. Making your own chemical-free herbal shampoo is that simple. Not only are you taking control of what goes onto your hair and scalp, but you're also embracing a more natural, sustainable lifestyle. If you loved this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes and tips. Let's embark on this journey to healthier hair together.